Hi, I am Emily. I usually host this from a different phone, or let me rephrase. We have a secret person who hosts it from the Linea phone, um, but they were unable to make it. So I guess big round of thank you so much for always being here, and I hope you the best for the day you are off. Let's go ahead and get started. It is 11:32. Um, I guess it's just kind of the same round in case you guys haven't been on these spaces before. It's me, Emily, from Developer Advocate for Linea. I'm here for all things communication and education. And Emma, Emanuela, you want to speak, unmute yourself, and
Hello,
tell us how
hello,
cool
yeah,
you are?
definitely. Hello, everyone. Yeah, today we're gonna keep it light. It's just me and Emily, so no many big updates, but just wanted to do the usual recap and present the week that just started. So I'll give back the word to Emily for the ones who don't know me and have not been in our spaces yet. I am the growth manager for Linea, so I take care of let's say expanding the Linea ecosystem as much as possible with valuable partners, and in this case the thing for which you're all here. I'm really working hard on the quest, and yeah, so ball back to you, Emily.
Okay, cool. So last week, I believe was a social week, correct? Oh God,
It
off cha-
was well, yeah. So actually, maybe we can start by digging a bit into it, because one of the feedbacks that we received from the community was that some users were a bit confused about the title of the last Voyage campaign that we had. So many people thought that they were actually gonna get NFTs from the mystery boxes that we implemented with Galaxy. Actually, I mean, the name of the last week was the NFT reveal, simply because we used that week to reveal the NFT artwork that we have been working on. So as Emily said, it was an off-chain week, but it was not meant to give out any NFTs. Those NFTs, as we have indicated and already anticipated in some of our blog posts, will only come after the quest have finished. So after the last week, after the last campaign of the quest will be done. So this is an important detail. Last week was actually focused on off-chain activities. It was pretty light, so we really appreciated all the effort that you put on for the NFT and the bridge week on the on-chain. We know that it was a bit maybe stressful and full of things to do, so we decided to keep it light last week. Uh, Again, another thing we are kind of sorry about is the feedback that we received from the mystery boxes. Some people were not happy, about the random points. So actually, I just want to state again that this was an opportunity, in our opinion, for you guys to get extra points. As we explained already in the first blog post, we are really trying to incentivize on-chain activities rather than off-chain activities. So normally off-chain activities should not be a high value of points. And let's say we use the mystery box concept in order to enhance the possibility for you guys to, earn as many points as possible. But nonetheless, last week, even if it was light, we saw uh, a great amount of participation. This has been demonstrated by the YouTube views that our space from last week have gathered, over 240K. Um, One thing that we noticed was that we have been spammed by bots on Snapshot. So this is an important information. So we hosted a proposal on Snapshot. It was our first proposal actually as Linea, where we asked you what swag we should have at events and what swag we should distribute at the next event. As you have might have seen, and you can see in Snapshot, we have created the Linea swag. So go check it out. If you look at the numbers there, it's clear that we have been targeted by bots on that. And especially because we didn't want to put very strict, controlling measures on the voting. So we did not implement any credentialing for example, a minimum of Ether to be held inside a wallet. We did this in order not to exclude anybody. So of course we were a bit targeted, but this is not an issue because we will add a proof of humanity, everyone. So just beware of bots. Uh, your effort, again, we do not want to censor anyone or anything, but this effort is going to be uh, probably useless. So just be aware of that. Anyways, the week was amazing as always. Thanks again to all our users. But yeah, I think maybe we can also talk with Emily about some engineering updates that we had in the last week, and then go over what everyone is really interested in and what's really everyone is here for. That is the content of this campaign week.
Yeah, okay. So, I guess one more kind of to do, or what do you call it? Action item to consider for the next week, which is going to be on-chain tasks, is please, please, please use our Linea faucet, which will drip Girly directly to your to the Linea network, versus bridging from Girly to Linea. But that's like kind of the piece. In terms of engineering updates from the last week, um, so I don't want to say too much yet because the engineering team is actually creating something more formalized, but we are doing some smart contract upgrades. So expect to see, or like I guess our product manager will be coming on tomorrow to our community call to talk more directly about, what's going on for those of you devs building on Linea, what kind of I guess addresses and upgrades you need to be cognizant of in terms of changes to the ABI and inputs. But yeah, so if you are curious about that, and you should be curious and cognizant as developers, tomorrow is our monthly community call, which will be a mix of highlighting some of our really cool partners that have helped to kind of create the Linea ecosystem for our builders. Second piece is the developer, our researchers coming on to talk about our lattice based prover. So, really exciting stuff about why you guys should even care about Linea in the first place outside of this NFT voyage. And then, like I said, the last piece is important engineering updates. Um, but that's kind of what I have here. I think, Emma, you're probably best equipped to talk about what people can expect for the on chain tasks this upcoming week.
Definitely. Yeah. So you mentioned a great point. So we're seeing a lot of movement and a lot of traffic still on the bridging side. So just as a reminder, no need to bridge. If you want to get Linea ETH, you don't need to bridge from Girly. You can get them directly through the Infura faucet. It's giving out 0.5 ETH a day. So it should be more than enough. And I mean, so you can check it and getting the ETH that actually you're gonna need for this week. So let's go over the details of the upcoming campaign week. So we decided to call it a tech and dev week because we think that the content for this week is a bit more technical compared to the previous two on-chain weeks that we had. So actually, in let's say in bringing on the details of what is going to happen this week, first of all, I would like to thank our partners a lot. Third Web, Happy, and Go Plus Security. They are the partners we are carrying out this week with, and I mean we couldn't make it without them. So actually, what is gonna happen? Let's go over one by one. So third web is gonna be let's say the partner where you can learn and how to use the third web dashboard in order to deploy a token drop. So a ERC20 contract for a token drop. Make this token claimable by users, claim some tokens to your wallet, and then transfer one of those tokens to the quest completion address in order to check that the task was done. So this is I mean, Third Web is a great product if you want to learn more technical, without having to relearn all the code, how to actually deploy a token, deploy an NFT, even an NFT marketplace. They have a lot of templates that you can build upon, not only the ones included inside this campaign. The second partner, Happy. Happy is our cybersecurity professionals, and they have a great dashboard that can help you, let's say, see how transactions are connected between each other and give out a visualization graph of transactions. So Happy is, let's say, I need to give more details about it because you're going to see that we have one single credential on Galaxy for Happy, but these credentials contain 3 tasks to be done, and I want to go over them quickly. So in order to be ready to complete the tasks, first of all, you will need to create other 2 fresh Linea accounts in your MetaMask. And then you will end up with 3 accounts. Your main Linea 1 account that you also used for participating and connecting to Galaxy. Then a fresh a Linea 2 and a fresh Linea 3 accounts. So after you have created these accounts, you will need to make some actions. So sending transactions from your Linea account 1 to the account 2 to the account 3 and to the Happy wallet address. Beware, the transactions that you send must be of the exact amount that is being indicated in the tutorial that is linked in the credentials. So please read carefully the tutorial that is linked inside the Galaxy credential. After you have created and sent the transactions, you will be able to go inside the Happy Labs terminal, so linea.happylabs.one. Logging in using your MetaMask wallet, so your Linea 1 MetaMask wallet, you will be able to see all the transactions that happen between that wallet and other wallets, both incoming and outgoing. So when you see that, you will be able to draw an L letter, L for Linea. And after you have drawn the L letter, make sure to post it on Twitter. So make the L letter and post it on your Twitter account with the I am Linea hashtag and your address. So please read carefully the tutorial, ask in our Discord if you have any question, of course, but please read carefully the tutorial for the Happy credential. Then the last partner is Go Plus Security, where we're asking you to complete the Fortress Escape. The Fortress Escape is a great product in our opinion that will be able to show you the capabilities of Go Plus in recognizing malicious tokens. So there are 20 tokens listed. You should check them out with Go Plus Security to see which one have or have not vulnerabilities, and then check the one that are legit and without any vulnerabilities. So there are 8 of them. Enjoy finding them and enjoying seeing how Go Plus Security works. So there are 65 points for this week. We didn't implement the mystery box, as you have seen. It's back to the way it was, and yeah. So have fun. Really, I mean, it's a way to dig a little bit more into the technicalities of Linea, and especially the technicalities that in general blockchain technology allow, and this through our partners, and nothing else. So get ready, because last week was light, but next weeks are gonna be heavy. And yeah, that's it, Emily. So I think I explained pretty much all the subjects of this week.
Cool. So last piece, as always, if you have questions, please direct them to our Discord and search through our docs. That's kind of where you'll get the most answers. Um, and I don't have anything else to add. Oh, I guess other than super excited for Dev Week. I'm glad we have some of our strong tooling partners on here. If you are interested in exploring the other tools that enable you to build really robust dApps on Linea, please check out our documentation under, I think it's slash tooling. Yeah,
Yeah, there
docs.linea.
are, yeah, exactly.
Yeah, developers tooling. So anyways, yes, get building, please explore. And I am good to stop the Twitter space and let you guys get started.
Yep, exactly. So again, thank you all for the support. We have the Discord channel, so connect with us in case you need anything and nothing. Have fun playing our quest and collecting the points.
Cool, cool, cool. Okay, see you guys.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.